Hello everyone, this is Chris with marketingintelligencem.com, and on today's video I would like to talk to you about a nice new method that I found out there on how you can make up to $16 per hour with no experience needed, no technical knowledge needed, just internet connection, laptop or PC, and you can start earning money in order to improve your finances. Before I go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make extra online passive income every month from the comfort of your house. And also I would like to ask you to click here the button on the subscribe button in order to become a member of my channel, follow my videos, and in order for me to receive your feedback and in order to improve and so on from there. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video on how you can make money online. Alright guys, what I would like you to do, I would like you to open your browser and on your Google window, just go ahead and type in Lionbridge, there you go. Hit search and it will bring you to this result here, Lionbridge, which is, as you can see, it's a website is based on technologies specializing in language localization, software testing, e-learning, and so on. I'll give you a little bit more information about this site and what they do. Actually, the nice thing about this one, what I really like, is that, guys, you don't need any knowledge at all. Only thing you need to do is browsing around. These guys will guide you on how and what exactly to do, but you only need to do is have internet and a PC. Very nice things, like you don't have to talk English or anything. I mean, you are able to talk different languages and you're still able to use this. Let me go ahead and tell you this website is also was presented on Forbes not long ago as one of the best sites and business rising out there, and you can see here on the Better Business Bureau, which is one of the most highly trusted sites. When they are rating, they gave A+. You see here, they gave A+, which is really good. So you know that you are able to start working on something that is really trusted and really high rated as one of the really good business sites out there. So what you gonna do on this site? Pretty much what they would do for the job I'm gonna show you. There's different jobs, but the one I saw and I really like is you do a browsing. You be given a few words or tasks, let's say for example from the Lionbridge administrators, and you have to go ahead and browse around for those results. Let's say for example you do something like a search engine confirmation. What I mean, let me explain. Sometimes when you go to search engines like Google, Yahoo, and so on, and you want to search for something, let's say for example you're looking to find out the next BMW model. What is the BMW model of 2018? Yeah, and you hit search and then you hit enter, and you want to see how valid the result is. If you start seeing that the results on that page it's not related with BMW, or you see that the first results, which is supposed to be the most accurate one, are related with a Mercedes brand or a Volkswagen brand and so on, that means it's not accurate. So what the Lionbridge does, it makes sure that the companies that hire them to do this, the results that come out for their products and their services are accurate. So let's say for example they may give you for BMW that when you type the BMW newest model, for example, that the result comes out there, they are accurate, they are about this BMW model and so on. Or let's say for example you want to search for the latest Madonna record. Yeah, if for any reason you do the Madonna record search and the search window or the search engine gives you results for Michael Jackson, for example, that means it's not accurate at all, right? And people lose trust with that search engine and the company, and they don't buy the service and product. So that's where Lionbridge comes in, and that's where they hire you from your site in order to go ahead and search for the products that Lionbridge has been hired to do these search evaluations. And this is pretty much what you do. You sit down in the comfort of your house when you have some free time. Maybe you are in the office and you're a little bit more flexible and you have time. Maybe you are home. Maybe you are a new mom and you have some free time and you want to make some extra income. Maybe you are unemployed and you want to make some extra income. Maybe you do have a job and you're looking to make some extra income. Guys, it's very easy. I mean, it's not gonna make you rich overnight, but it's some extra income. And as I told you, what you as an example here on the pay, what you can do, this is the one. They have different jobs that I can go through in a minute, but the average pay, they go actually from $13 up to $19 per hour. Yeah, so this is pretty good. They have also other jobs like internet assessor, which pretty much do the same thing, but for internet related jobs. And interpreter, if you're interested. I think the one that I like really much and I found very easy to follow with the best opportunities here is a search engine evaluator, but it's up to you if you would like to apply one or other jobs from here. So up to $90 per hour, guys, this is pretty good. What you need to keep in mind though is that this is for you're working like a contractor. You are not becoming an employee, and the contractor deal goes up to $20 for 20 hours per week. Yeah, so you keep in mind that you are able to make let's say for example $90 for 20 hours per week and so on, and if you want more hours, maybe you can apply for another of the jobs here. And this is it, guys. It's very easy. What I really love about this is that, as I told you, no prior experience is needed. If you're home and you want to make some extra income, you are able to do this at any time. You're able to do it. If you a little bit worried about the hours, you can do it on daytime, nighttime, between your breaks. It's very easy to do. That's what I really like about this site. So this is it. I hope you will like the video today. Go ahead and start browsing around their site in order to see a little bit more information on your site. Apply and start making money. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. I really like to have your feedback, and as always, I do invite you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation. I found after a long time that this is the best way for me in order to make passive steady income every month from the comfort of your house. And please do go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. I wish everybody a great time. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Bye.